Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoy all the status updates. So, status update number 1, paint recall. I know I talked about this recently, but I got more info from Toyota directly. In a nutshell, I have to take the XB into a Toyota dealer myself, or my choice, and I have to pay for an inspection. Now, the inspection is there so they can verify the paint quality that they did and a couple other little things. If the XB, by their standards or by their checklist, if it qualifies still, then they'll cover the paint work. Now, on the off chance that it's not covered, then I'm kind of out of luck. Or I have heard scenarios where they will pay a portion and I will pay a portion of the paint job. I'm probably thinking I'll probably get the portion one because my paint's not terrible, but you know, I'm sure if it's chipping on other vehicles, mine already has one chip in the rear quarter panel, so I'm sure, you know, it might be partially qualified. So yeah, there's that. I did also find out that it affects more than just the XB. I did find out from other people that it was affecting, I guess, the Scion TC, the Camry. I thought someone said the Tacoma, the Highlander, like a couple other vehicles that Toyota made. I have yet to hear word on if any Lexus models were affected. But as far as I can tell, it's only the 2 colors. The Super White, which is what I have, and Blizzard, I think it's called Blizzard Pearl. So those 2 colors were affected, and of course that's, you know, that's unfortunate. So, on to the next part. I have a huge shout out to one of you guys. This particular person has been reaching out to me recently and asking a lot of questions and providing some feedback. So Curtis, I want to thank you so much for your support on the channel. It really does mean a lot when you guys reach out, especially if you have very specific things I can get into, because that way I can provide better content. So the next piece you guys will see is going to be for the screen display for the tire pressure kit. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install that and, you know, how to mess with the menus. I'm not sure how far we can get in the menus because the sensors aren't hooked up yet, but we'll see. We'll see what it offers us. And this will be the first time for me messing with it, so we can go along this journey together. I'll see you guys then. Okay, step 1, disconnect this panel. Carefully, right here, on this side. That'll give us that. There's another sensor right there. We're not worried about that one. Okay. Actually, yeah, we're gonna take that off. Is just a push tab right here. There we go. Move that guy right there. Alright. Step 2 is going to be untying this guy. There we go. Okay, so here's my ground right there. It just has that little slip ring. It's underneath this guy. Switches here. Here's our fuse, and here is our power. So let's go ahead and clips in like so. And the fuse, I am taking spots. Where's it at? Here it is. We're taking location number 18, which is not really meant for anything, but it's an empty spot that works with ignition only. So once this is plugged in, it's just not running the screen all day and draining the battery slowly. All right, so let's get that installed. All right, once it's all hooked up, you'll know you've done it correctly when the screen is not on when the ignition is on. And then there it goes. Now to reinstall the panel. Okay. Okay, panel is reinstalled, and as you can see, it is going on. That's the pressures. Let's see if I can. That's gonna be the temperatures, and go through most of the rest of the sensor settings. Once we have the sensor set up, I'll go through the menu a little more. I think because it's not really. I don't think it gives us anything because there's no data to really read off except temperature and PSI. But yeah, that's how the screen sits in there. So from up here, that's manageable. You can see half of it. And what will happen is when you put the car on, you will get that beep if, not that one, hold on. That beep. That beep signifies there's no pressure or low pressure. But you just flip the button right here and it stops. Now that won't be a problem once you get obviously everything hooked up and you have actual pressure, because then it's not beeping at you for not having pressure. Hope you guys enjoyed that part. Also guys, here this coming Sunday, so in 2 days, is Import Face Off. I didn't think I was gonna go, but a crew out of Tucson kind of enticed me to go, so I'm gonna definitely go along with them. It's going to be in Chandler, Arizona, 3/8/20, and it's going to include some drift, drag, you know, car show event, all that kind of jazz, and I'm honestly looking forward to it. So we have a lot of work to get done before we can go to the event, so that will be a separate video. I'm going to make 2 videos about all this, and again, super excited to go. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thank you all for the support. And if you're going to be an Import Face Off, I will see you there. See you guys next week.